made it at the Natural Tunnel State Park. Right, Andrea?
Yeah. Woo!
And so we're on a lift right now. And it's Courtney's first time on a lift that's completely open. So, yep, so that's what we're doing right now. Check it out. Check out this view. Woo! We're just gonna go all the way down until we reach the tunnel.
This is very vibrant.
Alright guys, we made it to the Natural Tunnel State Park. This is the cavern. This is so beautiful. So you can see here we've got Courtney and Andrea. and then we have Courtney again. And then that's Andrea making noises. But this is an actual railroad. So the railroad goes through here, which we will see over here. If we keep walking, we'll see the opening. It's actually, like they call it, natural. So. Sorry guys, I'm not really good at this. This is man-made. This is man-made right there, but the natural side of it is... Hold on one second. Please hold. There it is. That's the natural opening. That's what the people come for. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh, I know.
Beautiful.
I was like, whoa, okay.
Oh my god. Okay, well, it's recording. No, I just wanted you guys to see the... So this is me here, right? Now this is the perspective, okay? I'm gonna stand right here. This cave is massive. I'm screaming at you. If I go in there, it'll echo. And echo and echo. Alright, that's all, y'all. That's all. Love. Let's go.
Uneven, but we got this.
Okay. I'm rocking my hand. Okay, ready, set,
Go!
go!
Are we in sync? I can't tell if we're in sync!
No, but it's okay. You're like opposite.
Alright, that's enough for today! Long, like look how long this zigzags. Like,
Yeah.
it goes all the way down and then all the way over there. Ah, but damn, if you catch me.
I like a workout.
Sorry.
I'll be
Dang. I'm sorry. Should we take a picture like the chicas there?
Oh, the water bottle fill up.
Oh my god, I wish we had some So it would be yo, you say Esto or Eso? Wait, oh. You want me to get in? What should I do?
I'm so glad I drank the last bit of your wine, Andrea.
It's okay, I'll get more.